Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make Hong Kong style French toast. So for the ingredients we need butter, milk, peanut butter, an egg, some bread, honey or syrup, this is optional, and condensed milk. First off, we're going to cut the crusts off the bread. It's up to you which thickness of bread you want to use, but I believe the thick one's better. It's better to eat. You can try with the other ones if you want. Next, we're going to spread some peanut butter on one side. I've used the crunchy peanut butter here because that's the only thing I had, but probably better if I chose the smoother one next time. I just experiment, I suppose. Crack an egg into a bowl. Add a few splashes of milk into the bowl. Give it a good whisk. I've used chopsticks here, and it'll probably take me a minute just to whisk it, I suppose. Get a plate and pour the mixture in. So we're going to dunk the bread into the mixture. Ensure that all the sides and the top and bottoms are covered. Transfer it to a plate and we're ready to fry it. Heat the pan up with low to medium heat. Put some cooking oil or butter onto it. So yeah, I just put another slab of butter on there because it didn't really cover it. Yeah. Add the bread onto the pan. Ensure that you cook both sides and just keep checking if you're burnt or not. So when you're done with the both sides, just do the top, bottoms and the crust parts and just burn them. So yeah, just spread this part up a bit. After you cook the bread, plate up. Yes, I washed this plate. Add a knob or a slice of butter on top. Add some condensed milk. It's entirely up to you if you want to pour a lot on or not. Usually there's a lot on. Finally, this is optional, but you can add some honey or syrup on top. Again, you can just put on as much as you want or not. You can do it really artistically, but at the end of the day the butter's going to melt and it's going to have this mad shine on it, so it's so lovely. Yeah. Congratulations, you have made a Hong Kong style French toast. I hope you like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.